Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand dishwasher and you need to reset it or restart it. And we're going to talk about two different things here. Like one is maybe it's just in a cycle and you can't get it to stop and you just want it to stop doing it. And the other thing is if it's acting up or giving you an error code or something like that and you're trying to really do a hard restart on it to just clear everything out. So for the first one, it's pretty simple. There's a start button and it might even say start reset on it. You're just going to press that button once, it'll pause it. And then if you press it or hold it again, if you press and hold it again, it will hold it for at least 3 seconds, it will clear it out. Now, if you need to do a hard reset on it because you're having issues with your dishwasher, you can just do this the old-fashioned way, which is just to disconnect it from power completely for at least a minute. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. And even the longer you can do this, the better. It allows the circuits to clear out and forget everything. Once that time is up, you can restore power, turn it on, and it will go through a startup cycle. You'll see it'll take a little bit longer because it's going back to its default settings. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.